hope I'm recording. I am? Yes, I am. Well, there's a fuel shortage because of, oh God, it's really getting on my nerves. They started yesterday morning, Friday morning, and somebody said, oh, there's not enough drivers to send the fuel around, so it got on the news. So everybody started to buy fuel. There's been queues the last 2 days. I haven't been able to get any fuel for the car, so I'm on the electric bike. I'm keeping, I've got half a, the motorbike, I've got half a tank full, the AirTech I'll last to work, and I've got about a quarter of a tank in the car to take it to work if it's raining, and that's all I've got left. So I decided to go to work on the electric bike. Well, a little tiny electric bike. It only does 24 miles an hour. I got a range of about 17 miles at 24 miles an hour. I don't have to pay any road tax, any insurance, or I have to have a driver's license to ride it, so I'm fine. Just got to be a bit more aware of yourself around you. But yeah, there's been queues. I've been stuck working today. I've been stuck going around trying to get into like Lock's Bottom Sainsbury's and stuff, because there's a fuel depot there just outside of it, so everybody's queuing up for it. So you can't really get in to do what you want to do. Anyway, this bus wants to pass me in a minute. I'm going up this way. So yeah, I've been. I thought, well, save that fuel. I'll just go to work on the little electric scooter. And this is legal, where legal-ish, because I'm only supposed to do 50 miles an hour as an e-pack bike, but you just you do the control to make it 24 miles an hour. But yeah, they can't take this one away from me. They can't, you know, like they do with the little two-wheeler stand-up things. They can confiscate them because they're only supposed to be on private land. This is designed as an e-pack bike, so it's got the other rules. It's 250 watt hub motor maximum. It's got 50 kilo weight maximum. That's why it's slightly a bit smaller than a scooter. It's got pedals on it, and you're supposed to be able to pedal it. Oh, it's getting foggy over there. I took my chain off because it was getting worse for wear. And yeah, it's got LED lights all around, etc. LED indicators. It's fine. And yeah, gets us about. So it's illegal, so they can't take it away from me. But it's weird though, because we've had this now 2 years now, and you can't get them anymore because, you know, obviously with COVID, etc. started. They were importing them from China, obviously, these bikes. Look, no fuel there. Look, they've got all the cones out. Yes, I wonder when he's getting his next fuel, because that's my local guy. Right, yeah. So that's a COVID testing place. Yeah, with COVID happening, etc. The importing of these type of things stopped. So yeah, she's done 2,250 kilometres now, this bike. I don't know how many miles that is. So it's a 48 volt, 16 amp hour per hour battery. I'll just indicate here so you can overtake me. So it's yeah, roughly, if it was on 50 miles an hour crack, then I'd be able to get about 30 miles out of it, but I can't now, because obviously I juice it up a bit. But yeah, it's this is what led me to believe, you know, I want to definitely get an electric bike, a Zero or something. That'd be great. That'd be wicked, man. But they're just too much money. So anyway, that was a quick one. Thank you for your subscribers. We're nearly up to 600 subscribers. Let's try crack that 600 subscriber mark. That'd be great, wouldn't it? And yeah, thank you for everybody who's subscribing. Lots more videos to come. etc. And I'll speak to you all later. Tatty bye for now. Tatty bye. Go around the corner.